Are you interested in learning Japanese and don't know where to start? Or do you want to improve your Japanese? In this video, I'll share with you how to get started with learning Japanese, the most effective ways to learn Japanese, 3 free apps that are perfect for learning Japanese, and how to surround yourself with Japanese for faster learning. Learning Japanese might seem hard, but trust me, once you know where to focus, it's easier than you think. Let me quickly introduce myself. こんにちは、タラです。私が初めて日本語にハマったのは2014年にアニメデスノートを見た時からです。日本語を全く知らない状況から始め、今では流暢に話すことができ、日本の企業でも働けるようになりました。The first words I learned were from anime Death Note. わかりました and わかりません。From there, I started writing down words that I heard from anime, practicing Japanese almost every day, and building my skills step by step. So whether you're just getting started or looking to improve, in this video I'll share with you the strategies, tools, and tips that helped me learn Japanese. The first thing to know about Japanese is that it has 3 writing systems: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Hiragana is a basic script. Katakana is used for loan words and foreign words like cake, keiki. Kanji are Chinese characters used in most words. If this sounds overwhelming, don't worry. Start with hiragana and katakana first. When you're comfortable with reading and writing basic phrases, you can move on to kanji. For example, practice words like konnichiwa, arigato in hiragana. Once you've got that, try katakana words like ice cream, keiki. When I started, I made my own hiragana and katakana charts as well as kanji list and pinned them on my wall. Every day I'd randomly pick some characters and practice them. I know this is old school, but it works. As I advanced, I printed out the entire kanji list and pinned them and did the same. This was a constant reminder for me to be consistent. In the next section, I'll share with you an app that is perfect for flashcards. But for now, here's a tip to make learning hiragana and katakana more fun. While learning hiragana and katakana, associate each character with a word. So in this way, you'll be learning words much faster, and it will be a motivation to keep going. For example, a, ahiru, I, ichigo, u, usagi, e, enpitsu. Japanese people use around 2,000 kanji characters in their daily lives. I know this sounds like a lot, and the idea of learning kanji can seem intimidating. But here's the good news. You don't have to learn how to write each of them by hand. In fact, some Japanese tend to forget how to write certain kanji because they don't often write by hand. The key thing is to focus on recognizing the kanji. If you can recognize them, you can easily type them. So while learning kanji may seem intimidating at first, learning kanji is more about recognition rather than memorizing how to write each of them by hand. The most important thing is to set a clear goal and dedicate regular time. Whether it's 10 minutes a day or 1 hour a week, consistency is the key. Everyone learns differently. For me, I'm someone who learns faster by listening. Anime was my first method. I'd pause, write down interesting phrases, and look them up. I recommend surrounding yourself with the language, like watching anime, but it doesn't have to be anime. You can listen to podcasts like Japanese Pod 101, learn through music, watch movies or dramas. The goal here is to train your ears and get used to the sounds of Japanese. Because for those focusing on conversation, listening is a powerful tool. If you're looking for free resources to kickstart your Japanese learning, here are 3 apps that I personally used for my Japanese learning. The first one is Anki app. Anki app is perfect for flashcards. You can find pre-made decks for vocabulary, grammar, and kanji, or create your own. For example, you can download hiragana and katakana decks and start your learning today. Or you can download JLPT N5 vocabulary deck, grammar deck, and Kanji Deck and start learning for GLPT. When I started Anki, it was a game changer for learning new words and memorizing kanji. It made learning so convenient and consistent as it tracks your progress and is a mobile app. You can use it anywhere, whether you are waiting in a queue or a 5-minute break at college. And this app lets you to set a number of cards to review daily. So remember to review daily for maximum benefit. The next app is HelloTalk. HelloTalk is an amazing app to connect with native Japanese speakers who are learning English. It's a two-way exchange where you can teach them English and in exchange they teach you Japanese. You can chat via text or even send voice messages to practice pronunciation. If you're in the same city as your language partner, you might even meet up in person. Lastly, for offline dictionaries, I recommend Imiwa for iPhone and Takoboto for Android. Both are easy to use and incredibly effective for looking up words. This is Imiwa, one of my favorite apps. It provides example sentences for words, helping you understand how to use it in context. You can also look up for kanji by multi-radical or Chinese characters. What's even more amazing is that it shows you how to write kanji stroke by stroke, which is great for beginners. And it works offline, so you can use it anywhere even when you don't have internet access. The best ways to improve is to surround yourself with Japanese, and here's how you can do it. If you're in cities like Bangalore or Delhi, look out for events like Japan Haba and Food Festival on the Japanese Embassy website. These are great for meeting Japanese people, making friends, experiencing the culture, and for Japanese job opportunities. Volunteering at one of these events can be a fantastic opportunity to improve your Japanese. This video is not sponsored, but if you are in Bangalore, Japan Haba is happening on January 12th of 2025. Don't miss it. You can also try watching Japanese content without subtitles or practice Japanese with your friends and language partners. To sum up, here's what we have covered. Start with hiragana and katakana and then move on to kanji. Learning kanji is more about recognition rather than memorizing how to write each of them by hand. Find the learning method that works best for you. Use apps like Anki app, HelloTalk app, and Imiwa or Takoboto. Surround yourself with Japanese through events, media, and real-life practice. If you'd like us to create videos teaching Japanese, let us know in the comments below. We're also working on a video on how to find jobs in Japan and websites to look for jobs, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching.